let's do elephant. So it'll be ko, kiek, o, ki, sangyeok, e, and li. Leer, e. Okay, next one, let's do rabbit. Okay, so the correct answer will be tiet, o, sangyeok, e, toki. I'm gonna say it, you listen, you spell, and give me definition. Juice. Juice. Right, good. Juice. I mean, it comes from, obviously, English word juice, and then we just change it to Hangul, right? So ju, jiut, u, and then su. This is a u, right? So it'll be su, shiot, u, juice. Next one. You listen, it's only one syllable, very easy. 새. But now you need to know which a. Is it a or a? A. So 새. So it's shiot, 새. Shiot. And then a, but this one we use ai. Bird. 타조. So what correct answer? Tiut, a, jiut, o, 타조. Ostrich. Good. And then last one. 오리. It's o, li. Final consonant, we call this 받침, right? 받침. So first 받침, it's not the heart, it's ni은. When ni은 is acting as final consonant, it's N sound. 니은, 우, 니은, 눈. It means snow. Okay, let's do one more. So we got 디귿, o, 니은. So 디귿, D sound, o, and then 니은. So 니은 as a final consonant is still N. 돈, money. When mium acting as final consonant, it's M sound. So 기억, 오, 미음, 곰. Okay, it means bear. Here we got 비읍, 오, 미음. Mium as a final consonant is still M sound. So this whole syllable is 봄. It means spring. When iung is acting as final consonant, it's NG sound. So here we got 기억, 오, 이응. So iung as a final consonant, NG. So this whole syllable will be 공. It means ball. Okay, next one we got 가, and then 비읍, 아, 이응 as a final consonant, NG. 가방. It means bag. When liur is acting as final consonant, it's L sound. So this syllable becomes 달. 달. It means moon. So next one, liur as a final consonant, L sound. 불. So 불, fire, and light. Okay. Go for it.
가, 간, 감, 강.
Oh, perfect. All right.
가, 간, 감, 강.
Yes, good.
소, 손, 솜, 송.
Good.
소, 손, 솜, 송.
Good.
도, son, som, song.
Good. 시계, 시계. 돼지, 돼지. 사과, 사과. Okay, so next week again, we're gonna do the second part of final consonant, and then after that, we're done with Hangul, and the next term will be beginner level 2, and that's where we are going to start with the grammar, sentences, speaking. You're going to speak in sentences from there, okay? All right. Okay, so we're done. See you guys next week.